my name is Demeter. I am a secretary and treasurer for my church. I used Microsoft Excel exclusively, and I switched over to ChurchTrac. For more reviews like this, click below. The problem that we're trying to solve by utilizing these tools is an efficient way to gather information from our parishioners or students. It could be forms and so forth. And so we just needed a very efficient way to do that. Excel definitely provided a nice streamlined way, but then when we found ChurchTrac, it definitely just streamlined it even more. ChurchTrac is super comprehensive, and when you're trying to be super efficient, you just want everything to be, streamlined. You want it all to be in one place, and ChurchTrac does allow for that. So not only are we able to utilize the forms for our ministry, but we're able to utilize many other facets of the tool and become more efficient as we scale. Microsoft Excel, the simplicity behind all of the products in the Google Suite makes it a very palatable solution, especially because it syncs across devices. And that was something that I definitely loved. I think it's relatively easy to get started with the Google Suite of products because it's usually already on your phone or device, on your computer. It's simple, right through the browser. It's connected to your email address because it's the Google Suite of products. With ChurchTrac, you do have to sign into the application, but once you do sign up, it's very helpful. It's plenty of videos and resources that allows you to really understand what's going on. Interface is very user-friendly, and so it's a great tool to just get started with. You definitely want something streamlined. If you are only looking for resources for your ministry or your organization, and you really value having your Google Suite of products that sync across your devices, and perhaps that's all you're looking for, maybe that's going to be the solution for you. ChurchTrac, however, is designed to be super comprehensive and designed for your ministry. And so not only are the forms in there and can replace Excel and your Google Suite of products, but it can also do much, much more. So it's not just about what's included in that Google Suite of products or your Microsoft Office Suite of products, your Excel, and so forth. It can do that and then some. So if you're looking for something more comprehensive, ChurchTrac is definitely the way to go.